Hi, everybody. We're back with another Juizi short. This time we're going to show you a little something that we built, the Hero block for Clone 6 Volto. I'm going to show you how to add it to the page, what it can do, and then Alex will show you how to actually get it from GitHub onto your website. So let's start. I'm just going to share my screen. So for this example, I'm going to be putting the block into a news item. It can obviously be added to anything you want. I think the news item just showcases the functions a lot better. Edit the page, add, and you'll see there's an option for Hero block. The options that it has is that you can add your own title and subtitle, or you can actually use your page's title as the title for the block and the page's description for the subtitle, which is what I'm doing because I'm not going to be typing up anything. And then you can also either add a background image or a background video, or you can use your page's preview image, or that will fall back to the lead image as the background image. Because this is a news item, I'm going to be showing the publication date as well. And then I'm also going to make it a full width Hero just because I think it looks a little bit nicer. So that's from edge to edge. The other thing that makes this interesting is that you can add some buttons at the bottom. So we can either add our own buttons. So if you add a button, you can actually just give it a label, link it to anywhere that you want on the site. Add another button and link that to anywhere on the site. And those will just link like normal buttons do. Or you can decide that you actually want to use your TOC buttons, which is the table of contents, and that will link to headings in the article, like the normal table of contents block. You've also got alignment options, left, center, right. And if you have a lot of buttons, you can actually tell it that you want those buttons just slightly smaller. So, but I'm not adding any buttons in this. I'm removing all the custom buttons because I only want the header, and then save. And there's your Hero block. The nice thing that I have done with some CSS, and that is included in the bold, I think it's called, is if you put it above the title and you save it, CSS actually makes it so that the header will no longer show. And that's it. So over to you, Alex. Show us how to get this magnificent block onto other websites.
Okay. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a GitHub account, as the repo is going to be on GitHub. So you can either access our links below to access those blocks directly, or alternatively, if you go into your search bar and you type in volto-aboycalledhero, it should be the only repository that shows up. If at a later date there are more repos coming up, juizi.com is what you want. So from here, you can either then go to the code button and you can clone the repository onto your local machine using HTTPS, or alternatively, you can download the zip file. Because this is a customization, it's not a full add-on that you have to install. Once you have the repo on your machine, you can then move it directly into your project folder. So for example, if you want to use it, you would need to place the custom hero block into your front-end source customizations, components, blocks folder. And if that's a bit of a mouthful, we have a readme.txt file that actually explains it all as well. So there you will see exactly where you need to place the block in order for the block to work. And most importantly, you need to register the block in your index.js file that's located in your source folder. And again, the code you need to register there is in the README file as well. And that's pretty much it. And if you have any advice or critiques or ways that you think we can make it better, please leave a comment down below. Or you can reach out to us via LinkedIn, Mastodon, Bluesky, X, Facebook. We're pretty much everywhere, as well as YouTube, of course.
Fantastic. Thanks, Alex. And please, if you have any interesting use cases where you've made it look nice on your website, show us. And yeah, we look forward to showing you more things that we build in future. Thanks for watching.
Cheerio, everyone.
Cheers.